The item we used in this cartoon was picked by one of you.
Hey, Conroy, what you got?
As a cat, I like to mark my possessions. And what better way to mark my possessions than by possessing my possessions? No, 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 no! Ah!
Welcome to Swinging to the Oldies!
Huh? Come on, is this stuck? No, 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 no! What are you doing? It was horrible. I broke the speed of taste. It was nothing but nasty vegetables.
Is this even legal?
Putting mushrooms on a pizza is normal, doggy.
Who that stares back at you ain't normal.
Huh. I admit this mushroom on this slice looks weird.
Well, you know what they say about curiosity!
Doggy, no! What are you doing? I present to you the Meeseeks box.
Conroy, tonight isn't game night.
No, you press the button and Mr. Meeseeks will show up. Look!
Ah, Mr. Meeseeks, look at me!
Mr. Meeseeks, open this pickle jar. Wait! So much. The item we used in this cartoon was picked by one of you.
Why'd you bring us here?
To show you this portal gun, I figured that it can help me out with toon training. See? Piece of...
Real smooth, Conroy.
Oh, jeez, are you okay? Doggy?
Chuck Jones, help.
No!
They say our education system is bad.
Glad we could iron out those last-minute details.